This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Rosie Andersen. Furnished unit for annual rental. Condominium just finishing renovation of pool and spa area, waiting for final inspection. Ocean views to the east from the balcony. City views to the west from the balcony. Unit comes fully furnished. Owner motivated to rent. Landlord will need first, last, and refundable security. Building will require a refundable building deposit to the building of $2,000. Instructions for condo approval on attachments. For more information, review the details below or contact Rosie Andersen at 305-933-3377.